Welcome, fellow cyberpunk enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to show you how to unleash your creativity and generate captivating cyberpunk images. Using the power of AI, let's dive in. First things first, open up your Chrome browser and head over to the search bar. Type in Styler AI and hit enter. Once the search results appear, click on the first link to visit the Styler AI website. Click on New Project to get started. Click Text to Image. Use the provided text box to describe the cyberpunk scene you wish to bring to life. Think futuristic landscapes, neon-lit streets, and dystopian cityscapes. Woman riding a motorcycle in a high-speed chase, cyberpunk. Colorful lights on motorcycle, wearing tight-fit red and black clothing. Motion blur virtual effect. Driving motorcycle fast down a city street at night. Dramatic action scene, dark and tense. Suspenseful, photorealistic, dramatic lighting. Click on Stylize to start the transformation process. Take a moment to review the results and make any necessary adjustments. Take a moment to marvel at the transformed image and make any adjustments to achieve your desired cyberpunk aesthetic. Once you're satisfied with the result, select all the images and click on the Export button to save your cyberpunk masterpiece. Finally, download your newly created cyberpunk image to your computer and witness the culmination of your artistic vision. And there you have it, folks, with just a few clicks. You've unlocked the power to generate stunning cyberpunk art with AI. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel inspired to embark on your own creative journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next.